I just cut all this fat off a nice piece of pork that I'm boiling. All this fat. That's a lot of fat. Now I'm gonna boil this pork, what I got right in here. I'm gonna make some nice pork enchiladas. I'm gonna boil it and I'm gonna shred it and it's gonna come out real nice. Okay, I had this in here for 2 hours boiling this pork. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top off right now. We're gonna take a look at it and see how good it's turning out boiling before I shred it out. Okay, I took the top off. See how nice that's coming out and everything, coming out real nice. Look like it's ready to be shredded. As you see, pieces on it and everything is nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just turn it over for a minute, get your idea. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. It probably just break apart now. Yeah, it's good. It's breaking apart and everything. I'm gonna shred it and I'm gonna make some nice pork enchiladas. That's looking good. Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle got a lot of videos out there. That's all you had to do. Stroll down. You can see whatever you want to see. Mr. Belle got it on them videos. If you don't know how to subscribe, just hit that bell. And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking in the oven. I won't be cooking in the Power XL. Today I'll be making some pork enchiladas today. Today I boiled nice piece of pork right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shred it up and saute it and put my seasoning on it and everything. So today this is my pork I'll be using, and my tortilla shells is right here. I grind up some Telemark cheese and everything. It's in the bag looking nice and good. I just shred it up, and I'll be using some enchilada sauce. I'll also be using a teaspoon of seasoning salt, teaspoon of garlic salt, teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon black pepper, teaspoon of salt. I'll be using some olives, which I chop up myself, and some green onions. And this right here is going to be a delicious dish right here. So I'm going to move some of this stuff out the way so I can start shredding this pork up and everything. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to use half of it and make these enchiladas very delicious. Okay, as you see, I've been shredding it up and everything. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way and break it down with my hands and everything. So just shred it up before I put all that good seasoning on it and everything. Just like this. Just break it. It just falls apart. It's nice and good and tender. Just like this. Just give you a little sample how we do it. Just like that. Just get it and just break it down. It's a lot of meat here. I'm not going to use all of it. Just grab some pieces in there, separate it from the fat, and this is how you do it. I'm going to put it in a skillet and saute it a little more so that season be nice and good. I'm going to finish the rest off. Put a little butter in here. I'm going to just saute this meat and everything just like this. Cut that down just a little bit. Looking nice and good. It's ready. Then I'm going to put this pork in here just like this. Okay, so I put my pork in here. I'm going to just stir this up just like this. Mix it up nice and good. And I'm going to just start putting my seasoning in right like that. Just throw all that in there good like that. Put everything, get it nice and good and seasoned. I'm gonna stir it up. Get it nice and good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little sauce in too. Mix it up with just like that. I'm gonna just stir it up, break it up. Look how nice that coming out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my sauce on this shell just like this. Just rub it all over. Put a little sauce on it like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over. Flip it over nice and good like that. And make the sauce go all the way around. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll this one up, and I'm gonna do some of my the video, and I'm gonna just spread this meat out. As you see, this meat is nice and tender and everything. Look at it, the shreds of it. That's looking nice and good. I'm not gonna use no beans because the kids didn't like no beans, so I left it out. But I have a video with beans on it, doing it in the Power XL. So, and I'm gonna just put a little olives I chopped up on just like that. Put a little green onions. Put a little cheese. Just like that. This right here is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna roll it just like this. See how nice that is? Come out nice and good. And I'm gonna put it right here in this pan. Just like that.
What are you?
My daughter is finishing it off and everything. She's seeing how tender that meat was and everything. Dad, I'm gonna help you. You're gonna hurry up and get these finished. It's all right though. Okay, we finished rolling them and everything. They looking nice and good. So I'm gonna set these in the oven. I set my oven for 375. I'm gonna let it cook for maybe about 5 or 10 minutes, and these are they're gonna be very delicious. You see my daughter jump in that video, help me finish it, because she tasted that meat and it was so nice and tender. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this light on so you can see. So I'm just gonna put it in there. Let it stand there for 5 or 10 minutes. So you know what I'm gonna do while this is baking? I'm gonna be washing the dishes like Mr. Belle say for all my first time viewers. Wash the dishes as they're cooking. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your kids, don't leave it for your friend, don't leave it for your roommate. So everyone can enjoy this food when they get done. All right, we're gonna take a little peep at it and see how it's coming out. As you see, that's coming out real nice and good. I'm gonna let it stay in there a couple more minutes and I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I'm gonna take them out. They're done. Yeah, they're done. I'm gonna take these enchiladas out and everything and close my oven. As you see, they came out real nice and good. I'm gonna get a taster in here so they could taste and see how they come out. I don't want to burn their mouth, but they look so delicious. I had to have a taster in here. Where's my taster? Ella. Okay, I'm gonna cut a little piece off and let my daughter taste it. Just like this. It's hot. I don't want to burn itself too much. As you see, they're looking nice and good.
So now I'm gonna try the enchiladas. It's hot.
Yes, it is, bro. Don't burn yourself. It speaks for itself. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do is hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.